Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel average. To begin, understanding the average function is key. This powerful tool calculates the arithmetic mean, summing all your selected values and then dividing by the total count of non-empty cells. You can easily average a continuous range, specific individual numbers, or even a combination of both. Remember, Excel conveniently ignores any empty cells, ensuring accurate results, but it does include zero values in its calculations. Let's dive into the basic application of the average function. First, choose the cell where you want your average to be displayed. Next, simply type an equals sign followed by average and an opening parenthesis. Then, select the range of cells you wish to average, for instance, from cell A1 to cell A10. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Excel will instantly calculate and show you the average of those values. Sometimes you need to average data that meets specific conditions. That's where the average function comes in handy. This function allows you to average cells based on a single criterion. The syntax is straightforward. You specify the range to evaluate, the criteria to meet, and optionally, the range to average. For example, you could easily average all sales figures that are greater than $100, providing more focused insights. For more advanced scenarios, when you need to average data based on several conditions, the average function is your best friend. This powerful function allows you to specify multiple criteria, up to 127 pairs, to precisely filter your data. You first define the range to average, then follow with your criteria ranges and their corresponding criteria. This is perfect for intricate data analysis, giving you highly specific average calculations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.